Hey guys, Kaylee here. So today I'm just gonna show you guys lightning and thunder. It's going on at my house. See? Holy wow! So one of my friends are sleeping early, like for school tomorrow, so I rather record it. So the thing was just, holy wow, that's lightning. My mom told me to get away from the window, so I'm only at my window. I should rather record this because holy crap, it's so huge. Holy wow. Oh my god, this is so... Mamma mia. I gotta open my window. Okay, maybe not. That's just 7. I can't open it. I can't. Why won't it let the light show up? Ooh. It's really lightning out. Oh my god. This is really... I gotta show this to Allison. I gotta show this to everybody in my school. I gotta put this on my YouTube channel and on my Twitter. Holy wow. I gotta put this on my Twitter and my YouTube channel. Holy wow, this is really... This is like a strong storm. Oh my god, that's how bad this is. It is really lightning out. Oh my god. What the? There's smoke on the ground. Why is there smoke on the ground? It's like fog. So, alright, so literally the lightning and thunder